How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. Now you have to wait. Scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it and click on force stop. Go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage. Scroll down and disable the background data. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Now the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. It's very easy, as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.